are picking up our numbers for this Solidary event. We are here. Today is the day. Today is an important day. It's the Solidary event that helps families with cancer, kids with cancer in our region. It is almost 9 a.m. and at 9, today is Sunday, 21st of September, we will start this 5K, 10K Solidary Nordic walk and 5 kilometers walk. We are here, police officers are here, everyone who support this event are by the town hall square. There's supposed to be around 1,500, maybe even slightly more of participants. And all the money that are being taken from this event will be donated to the specific association that helps so many people here yearly. Such hotels as RH Hotels, Asia Gardens, Lope de Vega School, Police, and many, many more are also supporting this event. There's plenty of people here early in the morning. There's families, entire families with kids. All of us are waiting the event to begin. Right now, there is an official speech from kids that have been through cancer, sadly, but can tell about their positive story. We are all ready to go. We're right on the entrance, and first ones will be the 5K and 10K. Afterwards, us.
Y la vuelta larga para los de 10 corredores. Vamos a hacer la cuenta atrás. 10, 9, no se oye, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, disparo. Corredores, solo corredores, solo corredores, solo corredores. Esperar, solo corredores. Corredores, vamos saliendo. Todos los corredores de 5 y 10. Solo corredores. Vamos, corredores, vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos, corredores. Marcha nórdica, adentro. Marcha nórdica, adentro. Adentro, marcha nórdica, vamos adentro.
Now it is our turn. First ones are 5K and take a run, which hopefully next year we'll do the 5K. I'm really anxious about it. Hopefully time will come soon and we will be able to be here for the 5K run. And right now it's going to be a Nordic walk, which they've started already now. And now they're saying for all the rest that are Solidary march of 5 kilometers. All of us, the rest of us, are heading towards the entrance, towards the beginning and the start line. Right now, it's our turn.
Vale, a disfrutar. ¿Preparados? ¡Salimos!
We've started our today's 5 kilometers. Slowly but surely, people are going outside. However, honestly and obviously, it is not a run, so it is way smoother. It is way slower. It is just a fast walk, but obviously, since people are not running, we have to go outside slowly. We've started 2 minutes and 20 seconds after all the runners, simply so that we wouldn't be out there in their way. Police officers are here also saying thank you and clapping for everyone who are supporting all this. And we are right next to the Bristol Hotel right now. There's quite a lot of people. There's families with kids, even with small kids, with boogies, kids that I'm not even sure will be able to walk 5 kilometers. But hey, everyone are here to participate. And for today's evening video, we'll be there in the Bristol Hotel eating some breakfast. Right at the techno hit already. As you can see, there's lines everywhere. It is so peaceful and quiet here inside of the city. That is bizarre. Look at this. Barely any people at all. Some curious people having a walk right next to us. Some family members who didn't participate but want to be next to their loved ones and friends and relatives. Police officers right there in front. Not every single day you're able to actually walk in the middle like nothing. in the middle of the Mediterranean Avenue. Usually it's packed up with people and cars. There's more than 1,400 people here today with us. Someone's running 5K, others 10K, others just a solidary march or a Nordic walk, but all of us here for a good cause. We are training for the run, so our daughter decided to see how much she would be able to actually go running through the Mediterranean Avenue. Meanwhile, another roundabout here, and we are continuing. Police officers are everywhere. All the streets are cut. There's police officer in every major turn to avoid mobility scooters or like in general electric scooters, bicycles. And look at the amount of people right there behind us. And here is a small fast forward speed to show you how our daughter was training. Quite a lot of people right there out the back. And we are already by the Rincon de Loix. Here street is cut once again. Police is very polite. They're saying thank you for everyone who are participating. There's many vehicles here stopped, blocked completely. No one is able to pass unless there are a resident. And even so, they have to wait until this huge crowd of all of us will pass all this area. Rincon de Loix is really quiet. The shops here nearby, some of them are open, others are still closed. It is not even 10 in the morning just yet. It is around 9:15, 9:20 maybe. People are having breakfast in the nearby hotels, such as Port Benidorm. Oh, it's starting to be incredible. Look at this gorgeous hotel. It's gonna be perfect when it's all done with the refurbishment. Right closer to the beach, this is around halfway of the 5Ks. This is where the 5K run was as well. There is the ambulance. Halfway is a good target point for the ambulance to stop. There's two of them here in case something happens, in case someone sprains their ankle or falls down or doesn't feel very well. Ambulances are a necessary part of these types of sports events. And hence, well, they are here. There's police officers, there's ambulances, so on every single point if something happens, they know and they will be able to help. So far, I think we are at 2 kilometers something, maybe 200, more or less. And we see first tourists here wandering around and watching what in the world is happening here in Benidorm this morning and why there's so many people with these green neon colorful t-shirts walking, not running. Some people might think it's a manifestation of something. Others do know, those who are Spanish, those who can read, they do know that this is the Solidary event in Benidorm town. The beach looks really, really empty today. This is the only thing that we've spotted right now. Almost absolutely empty. And it is Sunday. It's Sunday. On Sunday in the morning, absolutely empty Levant Beach. Where in the world are everyone? Probably they are on this Sunday's Solidary event today. Bikini Beach Bar. Quite a couple of people here. Our daughter continues to run. She's been running for the last 2 kilometers. Who up until right now? Very strong, honestly. I'm surprised. Slightly closer to all the typical bars that are opening up from early in the morning, such as Lil Bob's, the Bikini Beach, the Lazy Cow. All these are open already. First, people started to arrive, but it's not as busy just yet. People are starting, just starting to go and get some breakfast. Right here, we have a target line directly by the Tiki Beach. Here we have 3 kilometers, 1.86 miles. It says in kilometers and miles. How convenient is that? We use kilometers here in any case. 3 kilometers for us already starting from right now. So more or less 2 kilometers more to go. While we enjoy seeing businesses that slowly but surely start to open up for the day. A lot of them are still closed since it's very, very early. Many people are still asleep, especially tourists, while we are having a privileged walk down the roads where cars usually pass by without being afraid that there's going to be a lot of vehicles around us. And right there behind, plenty of people still. The brand new lights will shortly be here on the promenade. This is another change that we've spotted. The Gurnald is gone. Up until here, it was a brand new one. So from here onwards, they are already taking down on the old Gurnalds and they will be putting back all the brand new ones. to make this Levante Beach Promenade full of color back again. Andarines, this is our way to turn straight. It would be for the 5Ks and for the 10K. That will be straightforward up until the techno hit, but we are turning here on the right for safety reasons mostly, so that we wouldn't go as much of a time on a area where a lot of people are running. Just safety precautions. That's what it's done for. And right here, there's another ambulance, by the way, stopped. Plenty of people here by the techno hit, and here is where the 5K and 10K usually run. They go from that other side here on the left, and we've actually could have seen, I think, some people running. Yeah, so these are the 10K already, because 5K was long ago. It's been around 40 minutes since we started, more or less. But all these people were the runners for the 4K, 5K. This is the Nordic walk, by the way, right in front of us. We're almost at the end. We'll show you how it looks like. We are on the finish line. We can see the Nordic walkers right in front of us. Those who were running the 10K are coming right now. 10 kilometers. Can you imagine that? 40 minutes, more or less. 10 kilometers. And this is the finish line. All the ones who are running are heading through the left side because they are being tracked by their time. All the ones who are walking and Nordic walk are going through the right side, which is where we are also heading. This is the area where they're not tracking the time as much, and they're indicating people on where exactly to go. Plenty of cameras here. There's local newspapers, there's radio as well. Plenty of people here waiting, their loved ones, friends and family members here on the finish line. And it's exactly 49 minutes.
Ella que vaya al escenario por la medalla.
Vale, vale, ahora vamos, gracias.
I wonder how can we get pictures of all the police officers, pictures and everything that they did. Another person here is saying us exactly as the show, like the person who's in charge of all of this event. We're saying we have to go right there because our daughter has to receive a medal all of a sudden. So we are heading here to receive a medal. We'll see. All this here for this event. Look at this. Oh, this is very nice. Our daughter will have one of these medals right here. And they also give her the notebook, which is very nice of them. Right here, there's also the area where all the ones who have been training, who have been participating in the event, running, walking, can get free of charge fruits, especially bananas and some pears and apples. This is like for the sport to replenish the vitamins. And there's also water. Look at this, all these. Then there's also water. There's Aquarius, which is like mineral drink. It's like water with minerals, like a sweet saline solution with lemon flavor. Let's say it like this. Although we can purchase it everywhere. There's Nestea, there's cold drinks, there's water, there's a little bit of everything here for people to get after all this event. We've gotten some Aquarius, which is this drink with minerals and salts. And there's also the area where you can get bocadillos and sandwiches and different types of drinks. This was a very nice experience, let me tell you guys. It is a very special experience here in Benidorm. Obviously, we will be making a picture right here, 1,500. This was the goal, and I think they've surpassed the goal, or we're more or less at the target point. And obviously, we took our picture. There is also the area where there's local police, there's association. You can donate some money, the private schools, and many more.
This was the Solidarity March. We've had small gifts here. Our daughter has gotten a medal. And this was an incredible event. Every single year it's available here in Benidorm. So maybe next year you will also participate with us. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. We'll see you with a breakfast slightly later on, which is where we're heading on right now because we're really hungry. Goodbye.